Ibiza, often referred to as the White Isle, is a captivating Mediterranean island located in the Balearic archipelago of Spain. Renowned for its vibrant nightlife, beautiful beaches, and rich cultural heritage, Ibiza is a multifaceted destination that offers something for every type of traveler. The island is perhaps most famous for its legendary nightlife scene, drawing party enthusiasts from around the globe. Ibiza town, and in particular, the iconic Pasha and Amnesia nightclubs, have hosted some of the world's most renowned DJs and electronic music events. The party season typically runs from late spring to early autumn, and during this time, the island pulsates with energy, making it a must-visit for night owls. Beyond its nightlife, Ibiza boasts a stunning coastline with numerous pristine beaches and hidden coves. The crystal-clear waters are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and water sports. Some of the must-visit beaches include Playa d'Enbassa, Cala Salada, Talamanca, and Ses Salines. For a more tranquil experience, venture to the quieter northern coast, where you'll find secluded spots to relax and unwind. Ibiza's rich history and culture are evident in its charming villages and historical sites. Explore the cobbled streets of Dalt Vila, Ibiza town's old town, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through its medieval walls and discover ancient cathedrals, museums, and picturesque squares. The island also features numerous traditional villages, such as Santa Eulalia de Riu and Sant Antoni de Portmany, where you can immerse yourself in local life and sample authentic Spanish cuisine in cozy taverns. Nature enthusiasts will find plenty to explore in Ibiza's lush countryside and nature reserves. Take a hike through the pine-covered hills of Es Vidra Nature Reserve, where you can witness breathtaking sunset views over the iconic rock formation of Es Vidra. Additionally, Ibiza offers excellent opportunities for sailing, cycling, and horseback riding, allowing visitors to connect with its natural beauty in various ways. For those interested in history and art, the island features archaeological sites like the Phoenician settlement of Sa Caleta and the ancient necropolis of Puig de Molins, providing insight into Ibiza's ancient past. Art aficionados will appreciate the island's contemporary art scene, with galleries showcasing both local and international talent. Ibiza's cuisine is a delightful blend of Mediterranean flavors. Be sure to sample local specialties like bullet de pea, fish stew, sofrit pages, a hearty stew, and ensalada paisa, Ibizan salad. Dining at beachfront chiringuitos, beach bars, or upscale restaurants overlooking the sea is a culinary experience not to be missed. In conclusion, Ibiza is a multifaceted destination that combines stunning natural beauty, a vibrant nightlife scene, rich history and culture, and a diverse range of activities and attractions. Whether you're seeking a high-energy party atmosphere or a tranquil escape, Ibiza has it all, making it an enticing destination for travelers of all interests and backgrounds.